like this is just like a random vlog, so it's probably gonna be all over the place, but we're gonna try to make this happen, you know what I mean? I'll tell you what's gonna happen and everything else when I get there. Oh god, y'all, it's so doggone hot. Hello.
And look at me, it's so damn hot.
Shut the freak up. It don't make no type of sense. Hope I don't get it black. Here we go with the sweats. Oh, I'm too close. Hold on. She. Whip me out the place and I be acting brand new. But they really ran through.
No lashes, even better when you wake up. Inside the lights where you can't get no sleep. I see a tie thinking about if you cheat. See a tie thinking about if you're leaving. See a tie
that is so stupid. Okay, guys, we're heading in. Okay, guys, we're sweating. We both are sweating right now. I see the cars. We first. Anywho, it is hot as ever. Oh, it's feeling nice. Cause it was in my way. But Majesty, your shirt wet. How your shirt get wet? Okay, so the first thing we're getting is for my dad. He wants one of these. Oh my god. One of these. Oh. I don't know if you have to grab it or not.
Now it's that way. See?
Girl, I want some blueberries.
We finna get blueberries.
Yo. Oh my goodness. You got it all the way down there. Put a wrist. Baby, so. One of those white girls. They got these. These are bigger. Your $3 going to your drink, the free blueberries. I want some grapes, but now we gotta get your drink and something for my friend for her open house. No.
Which one?
Nash, you don't know her. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna give her this. Nash, shut the freak up. You all in my way. Maybe some Micanites. I'm gonna get stuff that I feel like I will want. You know, having the stuff I will not want. Now we're moving on. Rip me out the plastic, I'll be acting brand new. No, I was moving because like we was just standing in the middle of the thing. Like, oh my goodness. But look at them. They on sale. For $4. Oh, that's $14. Dang. If it was on sale for longer, I'd be. Oh my god.
Is those candies even real?
Y'all, these are for sale. And I want them, but it's for $14. Like, that's crazy. All these ones are for sale. Look at you breaking stuff. But I'm wondering the gift aisle. Should I give her a Pacific card or should I give her like a regular money card so she get what she wants?
Is it her birthday?
Clearly you're not listening, ma'am. I just said open house.
What is? Oh, graduation! I forgot. Can you go to her open house today?
Tomorrow. I don't know.
Give her this. Where does Razor go?
Maybe Bath and Body Works, but it's like, did she even shop there? Or I could have Ulta, but it's like, did she even shop there? But it's like, I know I could give her Maxty. It's like, I could give her something from like a regular car and just let her buy one. But it's like, you can't get all your money off of that.
What's in your cart?
Put it back.
Okay, I'll put it back.
I think I'm already gonna get, I want something like, people want to get stuff from Target though. And call it a day. Or get this Ulta one. But it's like, I don't know if she's shopping at Ulta. We gonna see. Okay guys, we currently got this slush stuff. This girl's out of breath. I'm out of breath. We out of breath. And now we gotta get the chicken strips. Dang, girl. You in my way. Chicken strips.
Okay.
And then we're done. We can finally go to that one store and hurry up get the free home. Because, yeah. Ooh. Scared the crap out of me.
We got mine.
No. Wait. So I scanned it twice.
No, you still put once.
Missy miss. Wait.
Place item in bag or cart, then scan next item.
We got time, boys. We got time. There's ice pop there. Oh, we got $30.
Thank you. Thank you. Your total is...
It just got back high. It was so cool in there, but that was somebody else. But we finished. You didn't even watch the road. You just crossed.
It's hot.
I would go to any speed supply, but yeah, they're gonna be costing too much up in there. So we ain't gonna do that.
Fine. What the?
So we'll see y'all. What kid is that?
Oh.
Oh. I forgot to say. He just came. Oh my gosh, look at that car. We made it. It is hot. Oh my goodness. Wait. Okay. These are cheaper. What are you doing? Measure out, see how many? Oh, you're allowed to. Yeah, you're allowed to. They would have said employees only. I said would have said employees only. They got a cup one. We should have a cart. Dang.
Using my way.
No, using my way.
No, here's in my way.
Using my way.
This is yours.
Hey y'all. So right now we about to get ready. We do this hair, which is probably terrible. Lace probably showing everything else, but we're about to get this jump started and we're about to, you know, get done. That's what I'll say.
Give me a body for the food. And I guess that's
What is that?
no space up in here.
They're knocking stuff over. Is that a tent?
Guys, we should go camping.
Oh.
No.
I said, oh.
12, 13. You would have slept right for it.
I'll make this snappy. And textbooks.
What's the last thing he said? Huh? What's the last? Coffee? Huh? Why is coffee on here?
That was at Nia house talking about party blower. That's what she said. No.
That's what.
No, I do be talking to her like bar race and shit though.
Why you cheating? What's this?
That's a camera. Why how can you cheat on bingo? It's a bingo.
You vlogging? That ain't none of that. You be doing
Didn't I say everything? Nobody knows.
You ain't say everything. What you mean? Ain't nobody said bingo yet. How you?
What's the last thing right there?
I ain't do that.
Ain't no balloons. Oh,
Come on.
I cried. Gone.
Come on. It is a balloon.
He gone.
Okay. You really?
No, she didn't.
She cheated. You can't win because you graduated.
Right, so get a different card. Get a different card and either say schoolhouse.
I did say diploma.
Yes, he did.
I want a bingo.
You didn't say diploma. I did say diploma.
I knew that. Oh, you didn't say that. This junk stank. They started.
Okay, let's get everybody.
We just leaving. Where are we going?
They ran.
Oh my, it's in my purse.
We're going to the video.
Video. Period. Just record.
I got 2 blicks and I got what a 30.
I know.
Here, hold this one too.
No,
hold it.
no,
Kyron,
no, no, no.
Kyron, here, bro. Damn. Hold it.
OMG!
Yeah.
Oh, it's already gone.
Why did?
Why y'all gonna go?
Bro, you gotta cut that shit out, bro. Damn.
Where is he?
You should have threw it in the car. He would have got out and beat the fuck out of you.
Man. I wanna hoop in the wet. Y'all can't hit this car though. Don't hit the car, bro. Why they lining up?
No, because they gonna run right into that bitch.
Somebody gotta go on the sidewalk. Somebody gotta go on the sidewalk.
That was the goal. All right, I'll do it. Y'all ready? Set, go. Dang, you gonna cheat? Damn, big ass, he's stomping. Why are you stomping like that? What?
Wait, he didn't say go. Right, nobody said go.
He said, wait till they go to the stop sign.
Oh. And then her. And it's me. To start the party. It's like, nah. Her face. Her face.
Mama.
I told you. I cannot. I can't believe this only does that. I'm so dead. Oh my goodness. Bruh. Why they keep going? I'm getting too scared. I cannot. Do not come over here. Say hello. Ayla, how you feeling? I'm scared. Oh my goodness, I wasn't recording. Oh my gosh, all the smoke coming over here. I cannot. Ew, bro. Oh my goodness. Where y'all at? Why y'all always back here?
Forever.
Look at her face.
It looks like Georgia. Oh my God!
Hot. I just burnt myself. Oh my gosh. They're like running.